Good morning, everyone. Imagine you bring your iPad to campus every day, but you also need to bring your keyboard, a trackpad, a case, and sometimes extra cables. Suddenly, your portable setup is no longer that portable. That is what the problem we want to solve with Foldex. Foldex is a lightweight and compact iPad case with an integrated keyboard and trackpad. Our vision is simple: your iPad, your workspace, anywhere. The way people use tablet is changing. iPad are no longer used only for entertainment. Students and young professionals are increasingly using them for the studying, working, taking notes, creating content, and presenting. But there is still a gap. One side, we have iPad, which is basic iPad setup, which is very portable but can be limited for productivity. On the other side, we have laptop, which is productive but less convenient to carry because it sometimes be heavy, and existing accessories can add more weight, more separate component as well can make it heavier. iPad users want laptop productivity without laptop-like. So we have the Foldex. The current setup can be inconvenient. Users may need to carry iPad, keyboard, trackpad sleeve, and cable separately. That means more space in the bag, more things to organize, and more things that can be forgotten. Foldex changes this by putting everything into one integrated case. It provides 6 main benefits. With the first one, it protects the iPad. And also, keyboards is already integrated, and the trackpad is also integrated. The fourth one, touchscreen remains fully usable. The fifth one, product folds into a compact form. And finally, instead of carrying several accessories, users carry one product. So Foldex is not just having one more features, but it keeping the productivity users while removing the bulk of the heaviness. And then our primary target consumers is university students, which is like us. Why students? Because students also use iPads and already use iPads for the notes-taking, assignments, presentation, and research. They want to stay productive while moving between classes, libraries, cafes, and other places, as I do and my friends do. Have a limited budget and want to carry everything in one simple way. We have the Foldex, and it can be an alternative for the travelers and everyone. We aim to provide the balance of portability and productivity. Of course, we are well aware that Foldex is not entering an empty market. We compete with products such as Apple Magic Keyboard, Logitech cases, and generic keyboard cases, and also the traditional laptops. But our positioning is different. Foldex uses the combination of portability, compactness, integrated keyboard, and an integrated trackpad. We also have a realistic vision that we are entering the competitive market. For example, a traditional laptop may provide better typing comfort or expandability. Our advantage is the all-in-one form factors. We trade some of these features for something our target customers values highly, which is the mobility. And then this is the positioning. And then currently, Foldex is led by me, Kinza, as the founder and CEO. My responsibility including product development, business strategy, consumers research, marketing, and partnerships. As the business grows, we plan to build teams, which includes industrial engineers, hardware specialists, engineering, and supply chains. Also, the digital marketing specialists. The principle is simple. We expand the teams as the business proves what it needs. So for now, it's only me, and I'm gonna need some teams in the future. Finally, investment will help us to grow. The funding priorities are the product development, prototyping, manufacturing, toolings, materials and inventory, marketing and customers acquisition, operation and testing, and for the quality control. The investment will support our forming aim, which is the prototype validation, initial production, and then the market research. At this stage, we are intentionally not presenting a fixed funding amount. Our priority to validate the product and the market before scaling aggressively. So to summarize, the problem is that the mobility and productivity often like a trade-off. Foldex bring them one all together. It turns an iPad into a more complete portable workstation while keeping the setup compact and simple, because the future of work and study is increasingly mobile, as I do as well. And Foldex with iPad becomes your workspace anywhere. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I am keen to answer your question. Thank you.